Hi, welcome to the Paige Family Homestead. Andy and I are so thrilled with all the friends that we're making and watching all our American Southern friends getting ready to plant and garden, and it's just making us really itchy. We're here in Canada. It is February, it is cold, but we're hardy and we want to show you our winter garden. So, just gonna put on my gardening boots. Andy's got his on. Put my gardening coat on. Let's go outside and show you how we Canucks do it.
Hi. Well, winter garden come up pretty good. I see I've got my spring onions here and my carrots are up. There they are. Isn't that nice? Isn't that beautiful? Let's just grab one of these. Oh, look at that. Root's still there. Wow. I better pick these. They look about right.
And what's awesome about snow gardening, you don't have to wash your vegetables.
I gotta pull a carrot. Oh, holy jumping.
Clean.
Yeah, no dirt.
I hope more come up tomorrow.
There we go.
Want to come see what I have going on?
Alrighty.
I'm really excited about
Set
this.
this down here.
Balmy winter February day in the garden. We can't tell you how happy we are to share this with you. Bring it on in, hon. We got some celery that popped up here. I'm not going to harvest that today because, well, you just pulled up the carrots and the onions. I think I'll save that for tomorrow. But I'm so excited. Look here. Got a nice row of snow peas started. So these shouldn't take long to come up for us. We'll keep you updated on the progress. And just leave it like this. Hopefully the squirrels don't get it, right? We don't want them to get it. Okay, so I'm just going to carry on. I hope you enjoyed our winter garden tour. We're so jealous of you guys. See us, subscribe, like, comment below. Have a good day.